In Kotlin, integers are numeric data types used to represent whole numbers. Kotlin provides several integer data types with varying sizes, allowing you to choose the appropriate type based on your memory and range requirements. The first type is the byte. The byte data type represents 8-bit signed integers. It's useful for conserving memory when you need to store small numbers. In order to create a byte, I'll start with the val or var keywords, my byte. This is the name of the variable, my byte. And here I need to specify the type of this variable is of type byte. And here you assign a value to it. For example, 100. The range of the byte is from -1 to 8 to 1 to 7. So if you specify 1 to 9, for example, you can see that there is error here telling you that the integer literal doesn't conform to the expected type byte. So you exceeded the range of the byte. The maximum is 1 to 7. The second data type is the short. The short data type represents 16-bit signed integers, offering a larger range than byte but smaller than int. It's suitable for integers that fall within this range between -32786 to 32767. This is the range of the short. In order to create a short, I'll start with val or var, specify my short, it's a name, and here I'll specify the type, which is short, and you can put like this. If you exceed the range, for example, like this, you have an error, red line. You need to respect the range from this number to this number when creating short variables. The third type is int. The int data type represents 32-bit signed integers, allowing you to store whole numbers from approximately -2 billion to 2 billion. To create an int, I start with val or var keyword, my int, and infer the type here, and you can specify your number. The fourth type is the long. The long data type represents 64-bit signed integers, providing a much larger range than int. It's used for storing very large numbers. In order to create a long, we'll start with val or var, my long. I'll name it as my long. And here I need to specify the type, which is long, equals to this number. The range of long is from this number to this number. When choosing an integer data type, consider the range of values you need to store. Smaller data types like byte and short consume less memory but have a limited range. Int is a common choice for general purpose integer storage, and long is used for very large numbers. Using the appropriate data type helps optimize memory usage and ensure your program can handle the values it needs to represent.